guys, it's Ame here, and today we are unboxing a Hot Wheels 1992 Ford Mustang with black, red, and gray from its 70s versus 90s 710 with 127 out of 250. It's the battle of the decades in this fan-voted collection. There's a Ford Motor Company trademark. Let's unbox this car. Front, we have no detail. Passenger side, rear, driver side, and roof. And the code says U3. That's the code. Okay? Let me know in the comments below. And also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.